Hey guys, Ryan from Spiker Workshop. We have not had much snow this year, and finally the temps are low enough again. Trying out a snow machine that I bought. Just turned it on. Currently I think it's like 26 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Gonna see how much snow this builds up to test some of the snowblower stuff in. It is from Snow at Home. Inside my garage here, I got a pressure washer hooked up. Big old air compressor. Here's a little update. It's been about 2.5 hours, and already there's 5 inches of snow. It's about 10 p.m. at night, but I got a ruler here. You can see the very middle of this pile, or actually it's about 7 inches. So this thing is definitely working really good. So I just got done putting everything away. I ran the snow machine for exactly 4 hours, and you can see, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it created quite a big mound, like directly in front of where I had the unit blowing. You can see. And then it kind of put a little blanket of snow farther out all around. But let me show you. I got a ruler here. Go to the deepest point. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So it's just about 14 inches in 4 hours. That's pretty good. This is pretty much the wettest snow that there can be. Actually, it's as hard as a rock, actually. So it's kind of right on the edge of making dry snow. So this snow came out really wet, and the way it creates it in such a fine mist, it became really densely packed. So this isn't typically what the snow would be like after an actual snowfall. It's not ice, but it's just hard, super hard snow. So you can see. So I made a few changes since the last video. On the controller, I have the throttle of the snowblower connected to the height of the chute. So when you raise the chute up in the air, the motor will throttle up and down. Reason for that is if you hit rocks at full throttle with the chute facing sideways, there's a ton of force, and I had a rock go flying right through the top of the chute, because you don't need full throttle if you're aiming the chute down. Let me show you what I mean here. And you can see as I raise the chute, the throttle goes up a little bit. Just so you guys have a sense of scale too, my garage, the peak of my garage is 22 feet up in the air. And see how high this thing can throw.